main issues that dog owners come to me for help with is how to get their dogs to focus on them on walks rather than be distracted by everything in the environment. Most puppies are going to be distracted by lots of stimulus, and this could be things like dogs, people, traffic, noises, birds, other wildlife, and even kids, bikes, prams, you name it, everything could be distracting for a puppy. Most puppies are going to get distracted by these things in the environment. This may result in them getting a little bit overexcited, and they may want to pull you over there and explore and investigate what's going on. However, this could express in some undesirable behaviours that you might not necessarily want. So things like pulling you towards a person or a dog, or trying to jump up other people, or even running over to dogs that you might not want them to go over to. So it's really important that we teach our puppies what we want them to do instead. And ultimately, this is going to be to disengage from those distractions. So how are we going to get our puppies to disengage from all of these distractions? Well, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to guide you through a game that I call the Engage-Disengage game. And this will teach you how you can start getting your puppy to focus on you around distractions rather than them being distracted by everything in the environment. Here is the diagram explaining the Engage-Disengage game. It will show both stages on here, and they're what I'm going to explain with you shortly with my dog. But what I suggest you do first is you pause this video for a few minutes and just have a little read through the diagram to digest both of the stages so that you understand the process. There is also a section that says prep work, so you can just ensure that you've got everything that you need before you start your sessions.